Hey there, gearheads. Today we're taking a look at the Morimoto Sealed7 2.0 LED headlight housing replacement. This universal 7-inch round housing is a must-have upgrade for any vehicle. Featuring a Biled ultra bright upgrade with switchback DRLs, this housing is flicker and error-free, providing you with a seamless and reliable lighting solution. The plug-and-play assembly makes installation a breeze, and with DOT approval, you can rest easy, knowing that your headlights are compliant with safety standards. With a rated lifetime of 10,000 hours and a 5-year warranty, the Morimoto Sealed7 2.0 is built to last. The low-high LED features 12x Nichia NCSW170C for maximum brightness, while the lens material is UV-treated polycarbonate for durability and longevity. Don't settle for mediocre headlights. Upgrade to the Morimoto Sealed7 2.0 and experience the difference for yourself. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this top-quality headlight housing today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gear reviews and automotive tips. Thanks for watching.